Hey there, homeowners. Today I'm tackling a common kitchen remodeling question. Should you install tile before or after the kitchen cabinets? Let's dive into the pros and cons of each approach to help you make the best decision for your project. First up, installing cabinets before tiles. This method ensures a perfect fit for custom cabinets without worrying about tile thickness interfering with measurements. Plus, you save time and money by leveling only the visible areas of your subfloor, not the entire thing. And let's not forget about those expensive tiles. Skipping the under cabinet areas reduces the quantity needed. Installing cabinets first also protects your tiles from damage during plumbing or electrical work. It allows for natural expansion and contraction, making future tile replacements a breeze. Finally, you avoid the risk of heavy cabinets or countertops cracking those beautiful but sometimes fragile tiles. Now, what about installing tiles before cabinets? This approach reduces the hassle of cutting tiles around cabinets, leading to cleaner edges and a seamless aesthetic. Tiling first makes it easier to replace built-in appliances down the road since they can slide out effortlessly on a tiled floor. And if you ever decide to remodel again, you won't be left with awkward gaps in your flooring. So what's the final recommendation? It's all about your specific needs and priorities. Do you prefer precision and saving on tile costs? Or are you aiming for a seamless look and future flexibility? Either way, consulting a professional like the experts at Current Cabinetry in Baltimore, Maryland, can provide tailored advice for your kitchen remodel. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more expert tips on home remodeling. See you next time.